As a part of 150th birth anniversary celebration of Mahatma Gandhi and 4th anniversary of the Swachh Bharat mission, our school, in collaboration with Walpur Municipal Council, has organized a cycle rally today. Around 40 students, all boys, actively participated in the rally, which was flagged off on the main road opposite our school, and reaching Hatwada junction, proceeded in the village and returned back to the starting point. In addition to this cycle rally, wherein our students chanted the slogans Green India, Clean India, last week our school students have also distributed paper bags to Walpai vendors and managed to convince the vendor to use paper bags instead of plastic bags. The students also explained the ill effects of using plastic bags.
Clean India! 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 Clean India!